In 3, 2, 1. What's up, Cartis? This is Faith. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be having a pre-birthday shoot of a 1-year-old baby girl. So before going out, you should wear mask like this. Put it in your nose, cover your nose and your mouth, and you should bring an alcohol too. I'm bringing my old bag, and I'm using Canon 6D Mark 1 with 50 ml. So let's go, Cartis. See you on my video. I bought a surgical mask. I will change my mask here. Guys, the plan is to shoot here in Plaza General, but I have to ask permission first in the municipal hall to be able to have permission to capture here, to take a photo here in Plaza General. So let's do it. Let's ask.
5 minutes later.
Is agreed, and I have permission to capture photos up there. So let's ask the client. Guys, I am waiting for the family to arrive, the baby, the mother, and the father. So let's wait for a while.
A few inches later.
Lovely. And sister of baby. Hi, baby. Our model. Hi. Hi.
15 minutes later.
So guys, let's go. Hi Cartis, it's me. This is the second set of the shoot. I was overwhelmed meeting the family and I forgot to film the first set of the shoot, which is the family portrait. But instead, I'll be sharing you the photos after these behind the scene videos. So keep on watching because I'm gonna share you my tips on how to photoshoot a 1-year-old baby. The babies are unpredictable in terms of showing their emotions. So tip number 1, you have to wait and have a patience. Eventually, they will gonna show you their smiles and their laughs. So just wait. So tip number 2, the family is very essential in the photoshoot because they will help you in making the baby smile. So I'm very grateful for this family for helping me out to capture the photos. In the photoshoot, it will gonna take a while to produce wonderful photos. So you have to be patient because it's gonna be worth it. Tip number 3, using a creative props like balloons, flowers, bubbles to make your photo interesting. So this family is using bubbles. Tip number 4, shoot in any angles, whether it's right side, left, or up or down, or you have to go in front of the baby. You have to make an effort to capture variety of photos of the baby, or you're gonna bend on your knees, or you're gonna be on the ground just to have a nice shot. It's okay. Now the next is taking pictures of the family. And I'm so lucky because they have their friends in the location and they're helping me out and taking charge of the props, and also they're making their laughs. So thank you so much to the friends of the family.
Later.
Tip number 5, this is important. Let the baby take a rest and be fed. And lastly, tip number 6, let the family be comfortable of the photo shoot. Be friends with them, talk to them, connect with them, enjoy, have fun of the photo shoot, and the result will be wonderful photos. I mean, it's true. If you have a connection with your client, your photos will be amazing. Thank you, Cartis, for watching the behind the scene. So sometimes I forgot to film, so I hope you like this. And this time, I'm gonna show you the before and after of the photo of my post-processing using Adobe Lightroom Classic. So let's watch the before and after.
Much late.
So artists, you're looking at my Facebook page, Aleli Faith Photography. This is Ina Gabriel's pre-birthday photo shoot. This is the photos that I edited. So I hope you like them. So if you have a reaction, you can put in the links below.
Graduation day.
So artists, wait. Artists, I hope you like the pictures. I hope you like and share this video. And subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell button below to update you to my previous video. The photo shoot is done. So let's pack it up.